Okay guys, in this video I'll show you the part that I missed in the previous parts, and that is basically adding the thickness to our leaves. As you can see, they are very flat planes now, and I forgot to add thickness after we finish texturing. So as I told in first videos that we want to have the same texture on the bottom of the leaves when we add solidify modifier. That's why we want to do after the texturing part, because now we can basically copy the top part to the bottom inner part. So this will be very easy and short video. So basically you just want to select the leaves and add a solidify modifier, and now if you crank up the thickness property, you can see that we have some thickness to our tree, and now it looks a lot better. And also, I don't know if you can see it, but the top part of the leaves is copied to the bottom part, so that's why we had to apply it after the after the texturing part, but I forgot about that. And we can do also one more step, which is making those sharp edges more smooth by adding a bevel modifier. So if you want to add this, you just go here to generate bevel, and now change the limit method to angle, so this will only bevel the angles that are higher than 60 degrees. So write it down here, and as you can see, it looks a lot smoother now. So this is without bevel modifier, this is with, and it depends on you if you want this bevel or not, if you prefer more sharp style or more bevel style. So I think this is our end result, and I think it looks really good. And this is very short video guys, I just wanted to show you that because I forgot about that. And thank you, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.